How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Basically, Instagram links direct your followers and visitors to specific web pages such as your website or online stores. This increases the likelihood of conversions such as completing a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or consuming more of your content. So, Instagram does not allow a direct link, but there is a way to add a clickable link in Instagram. So, let's get started. Tap on the plus icon available in the bottom, then tap on the Reels. Then simply start creating a reel or tap on any specific photos or videos from your phone. After you start creating a link, here I am simply creating a normal video just for an example. So once I complete this video, you can also add the music from tapping on the music icon and browsing through any music and selecting it. Now once you do so, tap on the stickers icon available in the top, then tap on the GIF. Now from GIF, look for the link in bio stickers and tap on it. Now once you do so, tap on the next option available there in the bottom and post this to your profile. Once you post this link in bio reel on your profile, you will have to go paste a link on your bio in your profile. Now tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the edit profile button at the top of your screen. Now tap on the links option available there and press add external link. Instagram allows you to upload up to 2 links natively. Now press enter the URL and title and click the done button to save your bio. So, unfortunately, Instagram does not enable you to post a clickable link to Reels directly on Instagram. However, this small trick allows you to direct your followers to a specific website from a Reel. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.